Hello and welcome to Let's Make Tracks. So today was the 2024 launch on YouTube. So I'm going to try and put this video together as quickly as I can before the Hornby Q&A session today at 1 o'clock. Okay, so let's start at the very beginning. When was it? A few days, weeks ago, can't remember exactly, there was a leak on the website for the HST Train set, so we knew this one was coming. The takeaway from today's announcement is that the numbers are different from the original releases. So there'll be, I'll put my screen grab up here now. But the power car was numbered E43063 and the dummy car E43062. So this apparently was the same numbering as the single release that they've only just brought out. The number for the locomotive we are going to get in the set is difficult to find on the website. There it is. The power car is E43063 and E43062 for the dummy. Hang on. Hold on. What numbers did I just say? Okay, so according to the website, it is the same. I think it would be a shame for Hornby to break the tradition of giving us a non-exclusive locomotive in the sets, because so far that's been consistent with the Easterner, Scotsman, and again it would be a shame if they drop that now. So anyway, that's the set. That's what I predicted was coming. So moving on to the next one, which is the J50. So we're getting 3 of these little tank engines. This will make a lot of people very happy. Got a LNER version, late BR and early BR. I'm sure Richard at This Way Work will have lots of fun when he finally gets hold of those, or one of them at the very least. But this is fantastic news. We're getting a tank engine. We've got 2 new tankers on the way. Benzol and, pause for dramatic effect, the BP Shell Wagon in silver. Now I like the look of both of these, and they'll go nicely with the 3 we already have. So that's a fantastic start. Then we've got some IFA wagons, the container types, DFDS, Hanjin and Hapang Lloyd. So those are going nicely with the 66s. And what else did they discuss today? The 33, I think it was, they said, is in the CAD stages. So we've got that to look forward to. Again, I'm not so clued up on the diesel knowledge, so you'll have to forgive me if I've got that completely wrong, and 33s don't carry container wagons, but they'll definitely go with the 66s, that's definite. We've also got 2 new Pullman cars, Kitchen First Class, Luffy, if I've said that right, and Medusa. Personally, I'd go with Medusa, purely because I know who that is. I think most of us know who that is. I'm not so clued up on Greek mythology. Is that all? Is that everything with wheels? Let me just double check, because I get the feeling I've missed something. No, that's everything with wheels. So next up is the Signals that Hornby have decided to release this year. We were expecting some Pico ones at some point, but they seem to have disappeared into limbo somewhere. So we've got a single home, a single distant, and a junction home and a junction distant. Now these do look like they're operable. I've zoomed in there to, you're seeing a picture on the screen, but I'm zoomed in on my phone. It looks like there's a mechanism at the bottom there. Now I'm hoping that they'll be compatible with the motors like the 00 versions were. I know the single signals you could put motors on in the old 00 versions, but the junction ones, I'm not sure if only one arm could be mechanised or they just avoided it entirely. Again, my knowledge escapes me. I've been up all night. I couldn't sleep last night thinking about everything that was going to be announced today, and I actually have not slept. So my delivery is really not on point today. The level crossing. Now, I was a little bit disheartened with this, not because I'm disappointed. It's a lovely piece to have, especially with the functionality of being able to extend it to as many tracks as you want. Although, by the time you get past one track, the old-fashioned crossing gates are going to not swing the entire length of the track, if that makes sense. It's only going to cover one road, lane, track, line. So there is that, and that ramp looks a bit toyish for me. But again, I'm not complaining. But what I am going to say is literally last night I confirmed my order on eBay to get some 3D printed level crossings, which do have the functioning gates. So I've got a single one and a free track version. I did ask the guy if he could mock this up for me last week, and he came back to me a couple of days ago and said they're ready to go. So literally paid for these last night, so I'll have these very soon. There'll be a graphic on the screen of exactly where I got them from, and if you do find anything on their eBay pages that you like, just drop them a message and ask them if they can scale it down. They're very, very helpful and very pleasant people to deal with, and obviously I now have a free road level crossing on the way. But anyway, me rambling too much. Although me talking about being super tired, I haven't said that this is definitely a TT120 Rambler. It is a Rambler. I'm rambling. What else we got? Isolating fish plates. So if you've got, say, the return teardrop loop going into a single set of points, you could do that now. I do know of other functions isolating fish plates have, but literally everything I've spoken about up until now is only pre-order. We're expecting it autumn 2024. The only thing that is available right now is the isolating fish plates. That's it. According to one of the last publications for TT, the Class 50s and the Mark IIs were in final production. Or in final production? They're in production. In full production. I don't know why I said final. So, yeah, that's all I've got for you right now. I'm going to be in the Q&A later today at 1 AM, so hopefully this video will go out before then and what I'm saying now makes sense. Got to do a little bit of editing to get all these lovely photos in here, so that's going to take me a little while. So, yes, please like and subscribe. Helps the channel out quite a lot, gets my videos out there a little bit further. And happy modelling. Links are in the description. Affiliate links are in the description down below if you fancy pre-ordering anything I've rambled about, or any of the few items that are available now. Links are in the description below. Okay, so tired, out of breath. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye bye.